I don't know.
Oh, it's a giant.
Kind of a slide. And so this is a new restaurant here. Where are we at? Jhaja? Huh? Jhaja? Okay, we're in Jhaja at this new restaurant here. So give it a shot today. But based on the decor, looks like they mean business. What do you guys think of this long trip that we're taking so far?
Tiring.
Tiring. Anything else more positive about it?
It's very fun.
Very fun?
The whole cave is fun.
Yeah. How about all the other stuff we did? Waterfalls and all that? Was that good too?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's also fun.
And then maybe we'll do a museum and more waterfalls. And Lombok River Cruise coming soon. I don't know. Yeah. Let's go that way.
And the whole week.
Coffee time.
What is this?
I don't know what that is. Ask Ate.
Ano po kalaki yung cup niyo? Isang Spanish latte. What's yours?
Mommy.
Ice po, Mom.
Apo. Paano ba? Pwede mo lang.
Try it.
Yung beso, pag ganon? Kailangan nalagyan.
Try it with your fingernails. You go very slow.
Naglag yung ganon.
I'm gonna repeat the order. You have to go one Spanish latte single shot, one cafe latte hot, one Spanish latte double shots. That's all. Isa lang yung isa lang hot, dalawang.
I'm guessing that's not possible, right?
Yeah, someone did it once.
Oh, really? Someone has done it.
You know the motorcycle. Motorcycle.
Welcome!
Now I can see on the place we're going to have red ants.
You can see, we slide here.
You're gonna slide down that?
Yep.
Okay.
You
That
wanna
looks
slide
like a
with
great
me?
idea. Yeah.
On the way.
Yeah, thanks. Look at all this fish.
Wow! It's a tilapia!
Tilapia.
It's a pond!
Tilapia pond. It's not moving water, so we're not going there. Is there like a...
That's probably true.
Why not?
Wait.
Wow, that's a small one. That's very super cool.
Wow!
Waterfall.
Yes.
Oh, it's like ice. Ah. Oh! Super cold!
Wow.
Like I think that's the photo that you see.
Over there,
It's
look.
there.
Oh. It's not a big one.
Oh yeah, that's not hot, huh?
Ooh, it's cold. Come on, Vic.
Let's go, babe.
Cold, right? Very cold. No.
Let's go.
Only this. You.
No. And now it smells very cold. Cold. Okay, you can go? Huh? Daddy, you can go?
Take your shorts off and your shirt.
No, that's the
Okay, so what are you gonna do exactly? You're gonna swim that way? Well, isn't she going with you? Okay, whenever you're ready.
It's nice. It's a nice cold. Yeah.
her, I know that she'll say, hey.